beast!
Watch out!
My rifle got jammed. You again?
Yes, me. Lance Corporal Samuel Taylor, U.S. Marine Corps.
Well, thank you, Uncle Sam. Edward Baranoff, ex-captain.
Glad to meet you, Ed. How did you end up in this mess?
This is one of my ports. Usually the traps downstairs were enough. The Fuglies here know well enough to stay away. Let's go before some more arrive. Stupid beasts. You kill a bunch, but they just keep coming. Help me move this, Sam. You got it? Come on! Oh, we did it. Ugh, I hurt all over, which is a good sign. Means I'm alive. So, where was I? Ah, yes. Then the bandits from the cinema decided to throw a party for the local gang bosses. And think far enough ahead to chase a pack of Fuglies away from the ruins next door for extra security. So the poor mutants arrived here and got sandwiched between the bandits and the other packs in the vicinity. The only way open for them was up. I could beat them, but that gem...
You're welcome. I've been looking for you.
Did you talk to Tom?
Yeah. He suggests a deal.
Yes, he's fond of those. Damn. I hate being old. We're almost there. All right, my own personal savior, let's set sail. Come aboard. We have a long way to go.
Tell me, Ed, what happened here during the war? Doesn't look like the city took any direct hits. So why is it in such a state?
Yeah, there were no direct hits. The warheads fell into the sea, all in a neat little line. My sub didn't even shoot. All the targets were destroyed without our help. We called the base for orders, but there was no reply. The base was hit naturally, so we sailed here. That's where the HQ was. When we reached the city, we couldn't recognize it. It was even worse back then, of course. Just the smell alone. There were very few survivors, and frankly, we were surprised to find any. We picked them up from the roofs, organized somehow, and ended up settling in the dock. The place ended up pretty cozy. At least we had no problem with electricity, with the reactors running. And by the time they ran out of fuel, we had a floating power station ready. All this luxury ended up generating rumors. So the bandits started coming by to check us out. Finally, one day Tom arrived with an offer of uniting our forces and setting up an effective defense perimeter. That bastard.
Sniper, get down!
Damn it!
Did he get you?
I'm fine. Keep your head down. like we're safe. Did you see where he's shooting from?
I'll handle
We
the
can't get
sniper.
him from
You
the
stay
water.
here.
Are you sure? Go get him then.
Go in. I'll cover it. I'm going in.
Any greenhorn could get me here.
No sign of the fucker!
That bitch is there!
He's down there!
The fucker's got him!
Hey! Did you find the bitch yet? Well, get your ass ready. I'm coming for you!
I can see you.
There's some crazy fucker here! I can't handle him alone!
Don't fret! We'll take the fucker out! Come out and fight like a man! They got him! I'm fucking it! The fuckers got him! Ah! Guys, we're getting fucking trounced! Schon Dachbattle! If you are going to find!
So you thought
thought you could fight.
This just doesn't feel right. We should all just go back.
Find the motherfucking people, or I'll have your asses! We're looking, alright? No sign of the fucker!
There definitely was some noise
We're
coming
looking
from
for him
here.
already!
Looks like nothing in the end.
Hey! Did you lock the door? Of course I did! Did you barricade it?
Pointless.
No!
Hey, what the fuck is that? Hey, what the fuck is that? Hey, did you catch this? Конечно, something's there. I'm sure I saw some shit move here. So, what was that? Yeah, as if there was ever going to be anything. I just can't. I did not see nothing either. We're like some greenhorn gang. This is bullshit.
Find the motherfucking people, or I'll have your asses! We're looking!
I just can't take this sitting around any longer. We're like some greenhorn gang. This is bullshit. What could it be? Who gives a fuck? This is just
What's that noise?
point to this side. What is that? Did you hear that? Yeah, there was some noise, I reckon. I'm just too fucking high strung all the time. Like anything, there was some shadow here. Right fucking here. There was fucking Nichiro. But I'm okay with that. Well, this just doesn't feel right. We should all just go back home, I say.
Hey! Did you find the bitch yet? Alright! We're looking for him already! Fight like a fish, asshole! Ah, that hurts!
getting a bolt in my head over this shit. What's down there, people?
Ain't opening this one.
Fuck this shit, I'm getting down. Hey, what's that? In that window? Shit, bro. That's some rotten luck there.
Hey guys, we have to find the fucker before he fucking runs off.
Should sit this one out. You bitch. Just to peek out. Shit. Should sit this one out. I'm gonna fucking... Just let me see you, bitch, and you're fucking dead. You bitch, just you peek out. There are you. Hey, cat, what is it down there? What the fuck? I'll just keep my head down for now. Fuck this, I'm splitting. Hey, cat, what is it down there? Fuck this, I'm splitting.
Easy, easy, man. I give up. No, I see you are serious people going about your business. So I won't give you any trouble anymore.
Ed, Sam here. Sniper neutralized.
Great job, Sam. Get down to the gantry. I'll pick you up from there.
Haven't got a key.
So, did he give you any trouble?
Никаких проблем. Ed, who were those guys?
These are the bandits I told you about. They came to make a profit by robbing our settlement at the dock, but it didn't pan out. I must give credit where credit is due. That bastard Tom did bolster the defenses all right. These losers have long since stopped raiding. A few years back they made one last attempt. Klim gave them a lesson. They were so terrified they didn't even cut down bodies of their hanged pals all over the ruins. They couldn't raid and didn't have a place to go. So they turned to trapping. They catch mutants in the ruins, those human-like ones. Their beasts are dumb and shrewd, but strong. Quite good for dragging carts or boats on the rivers, turning wheels and stuff. They don't eat much either, so using them lets you save a bunch of fuel. So the bandits catch them, train them a little, and then sell them off to traders. Those come from the south a couple of times a month. They pay in weapons, ammo, rice, all the things you need for a decent life in the wild. They visit the settlement too, mostly buying restored generators, engines, and other machines. Our maintenance guys are real wizards after all. Oh, and dried fish too. So that's the region's economy in a nutshell.
Why did those trappers shoot at us?
The whole city is divided between them. It took a lot of fighting to define those borders. So now they open fire at anyone approaching without proper insignia.
Got it. Turf Wars, the primeval edition.
You got it. All right, we're here, Sam. Let's moor this thing and I'll show you my backup base.
Cool.
So, care to tell me the essence of Tom's offer?
It's simple. He offers to leave you the settlement along with everyone who won't follow him.
How generous. And what does he want?
He wants you to deliver fuel rods for the submarine.
Come on in, Sam. Don't worry, the lift's fine. My friends and I took our time preparing this base. There's a generator on the roof. The staircase is just an emergency exit. Too many fogies in the lower floors. So the lift's no longer. Just have to keep that generator going. Oh, the guys didn't get caught back then, after all. Or if they did, they wouldn't talk.
What guys?
When Tom had shown his true colors, my closest friends and I decided to refuel the sub and take her to sea. The plan was strictly need to know. Only Alex, my XO, and Alex II, the torpedo officer, and Volodya, the life support guy, were in. They left to recon the field and stayed in contact for 2 weeks. They found the fuel, and we arranged for me to pick them up in the night. But it was Klim's people who met me there. I barely escaped.
Do you think they were captured?
I don't know. But seeing Klim's people there was hardly a coincidence.
Yeah.
And we're there. Come on in, Sam. Make yourself at home, Sam. Take a rest. There's a storm outside anyway. Tell me, Sam, what's your angle in all this mess?
I just want to go home, Ed. Nothing more. And Tom said he'd give me a lift.
Before starting the nuclear war all over again, or after? Sam, the Sob is a terrible weapon. A weapon that was entrusted to me to protect my country. Not to be used in pirate raids, or even something as noble as creating the kingdom of heaven on earth. Can you see that? I didn't use it in the last war. So could anybody have any right to use it in any capacity now, when we're barely surviving after that one?
Ed, Tom is a reasonable man. I don't think he'd go so far as...
Tom is first and foremost a businessman, and he will get what he wants, one way or another. Can't you see that his offer to let those who wouldn't follow him go is a threat? What is going to happen to them should I choose not to bring him the fuel?
I think you're being too negative here, really. Okay, let's do it this way. I ring him up, you talk to him directly.
Fine by me.
Tom, Sam here. The captain agrees to talk.
Perfect, Edward. I'll be brief. I need those fuel rods, and you know that. You want your settlement, your people, and your power back. And I'm ready to offer you just that. As soon as those reactors are refueled, my people and I will leave and never bother you again. You don't believe I'll never use the nukes, but you'll just have to take my word on that. You know I can keep it.
You've kept it so far, if we stretch the definition. But that's besides the point. Even if I believe you, I don't believe Klim. Did he tell you the free bandits are working for him?
What makes you say so?
I have no proof, but the friends I left with went missing. Did he tell you anything about them?
He said he was looking for them. I had my doubts for quite some time already, and now they're solidifying. Oliver cannot carry double any longer. Once the fuel is here, Klim will be taken care of. Anything else?
No, just that.
Then we have a deal.
We do, Tom. I know I'm going to regret this, but we do.
You won't. A deal is a deal, Edward. See you soon.
Thank you for trusting him.
Sam, I don't trust him. Not even for a second. No matter what he says, I can't trust him.
But you have no choice.
Exactly. I really don't have a choice here. Ah, damn. The generator's out again. Let's go check it. Oh, shit. Before we go, let's do something about my knee. It is swelling up already.
Sure thing, Ed. Do you have anything for the pain?
I don't drink really, but I do have a crate of Molotovs. Their moonshine and fish oil should do the trick. I wish we had some food to chase the drink down with, though.
Here.
Wow, that's a nice surprise. All right, no point in putting it off any longer now. Cheers. Not so bad. Here, you have some too.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Come on, let's get it done.
Disgusting.
All right, I'm ready. Pull it hard.
Hold on to your hat.
Oh, you said it. I don't think it worked. Let me catch my breath. Get one for yourself, too.
Cheers. Still awful.
Okay. Pull again. Put your back into it.
All right, pulling.
Damn. That was awful. Thanks for the leg. I feel better already. Cheers.
Cheers.
I say, let's not go anywhere tonight.
Not bad at all.
Okay, let's go check the generator.
Are you sure?
When my exo bursts in and shouts, "Where the hell is my tape machine?" I think I got this. Pull that lever, Sam. Shit, I ain't got it. Huh? You hear that?
What, the music?
Had we had some music?
Amen to that.
Hey, you! What the?
Okay, let me fix this. I definitely got it now. Start it, Sam.
Now
I got this. Let there be lights.
Wait. What the?
By the way, care to tell me your story?
Are you sure?
Come on, Sam. Unwind.
Sure. Why not? When we buried the colonel, I just knew I had to leave. I just knew Dad was waiting.
Thanks for telling me, Sam. We were on the ropes by then and had to take the deal. And that bastard wants to save the world? Bah! He's going to become a pirate with nukes. And that's it.
I don't know. I don't think it's quite like that. He has ideas. I'm king of the world!
Oh, good. I'm telling you, Sam, you're a nice guy.
I don't know. He's not a madman, Ed.
I know, but still, to hell with him. Let's drink. Come on, Sam. I'm telling you, Sam, you're a nice guy, but you lack respect. Respect of your elders. I mean, why aren't you drinking?
Hey, Ed! I'm here.
You are there too? Weird. I need a drink. Oh, this is good.
Not bad at all. Amen to that.
Now that's what I call a party. Yeah.
Ed? Ed!
Oh, shh. What happened?
Ed! I'm blind! What were we drinking?
You're not blind, you're sleeping face down. And stop shouting. Oh, my head.
My head.
That's why I don't drink. It's terrible. But I feel better now. Here, finish this. It will help a bit.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, while you're recovering, let's go back to the conversation we had yesterday. I do know where that fuel is, and it's not even that far. In an underground submarine base. The tunnels are half flooded, but still accessible. The entrance is in the Naval HQ building. Radiation's off the charts there, though, so I wouldn't even try without a protective suit. This building used to be a fire department, and I know they had some suits in case of an accident with one of the subs. Now the place is overrun by bandits, so it's not going to be a walk in the park, I guess. Think you can handle it?
Okay, I guess some fresh air will do me good. I'll go get those suits.
Thank you, Sam. I'll be getting ready here, too. Oh, you should take the stairs. Down there and through the door. Oh, I almost forgot. While going downstairs, could you reload the traps? The mutants do visit this place from time to time.
I'll try to, Ed.
There is one Molotov left. Take it. There are many dead bandits on the lower floors. They should have the materials for more if you need any.